Hi, I'm Matt Burton, Vice President of Culinary and R&D and Corporate Executive Chef for Dickey's Barbecue. Dickey's has always been your go-to place for pit smoked barbecue, and we couldn't be more excited to share our new Southern-inspired dishes being added to our menu. Now, fried chicken. Who does not love fried chicken? Now, our fried chicken, it is brined in buttermilk and pickles and perfectly battered and deep fried. We have 4 different versions, including a Nashville hot, a buffalo, and including one that's topped with our pit smoked brisket. Absolutely amazing. Now, my favorite addition is our USDA country fried steak that we batter, deep fry, and top with just the right amount of country gravy with just a little bit of pepper. Absolutely amazing. Now, for those of you that love baked potatoes, we of course didn't forget about you. We have 3 new versions for you. We have a classic crispy baked potato, which comes with crispy chicken and all of your favorite toppings. The sour cream, the butter, the green onions, everything you've always learned to love about our bakers. Plus 2 new ones, a Nashville chicken and a buffalo chicken baker. Now, we've also brought back our salad, which you can get with any of our pit smoked meats or our crispy chicken. And I mentioned value a little while ago. We've got side salads, we've even brought back our slider, and we have chili available every single day. And I would be remiss if I didn't mention quite possibly the most popular item we've tested, our Dickey Dog. It's your choice of one of our famous, either our Polish sausage or our jalapeno cheese sausage, now served in a link, topped with mustard, topped with grilled onions, served in a garlic toasted hoagie roll, covered with cheese. And now a little chef tip, add a little bit of the Dickey's original barbecue sauce. I guarantee you, you will not regret it. It's absolutely amazing. Now listen, Dickey's is a family, and we love to share our family with yours. And we are so excited to bring some of these new items to be part of your family's new traditions.